Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, na, 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 na. I was born and raised in a nature town, where dreams were heavy and hope was hard to find. 9 children in our family, standing side by side. I'm the 5th son, learning how to survive. My father's mother raised me with her loving hands. She taught me how to fight through life, shifting sand. She said the road is never easy, but never lose your way. Even in the darkest night, keep believing in the day. Then the day she left us, my world fell apart. Not long after my father followed, it shattered my heart. The tears kept falling, but life never stopped. I had no choice but to keep moving on. When life knocks you down, you either stay on the ground or rise again with faith. I'm still standing, even through the pain. Every scar became my strength again. From the streets of Onitsha to wherever I may go, God has been the light that helped my spirit grow. I was broken, but I never gave in. Every loss became another win. Look at me now, this is only the start. The streets made my body, but faith built my heart. I started at the Maker off a plaza every day, helping people buy their phones, hoping they bless my way. Sometimes just enough to buy a little food, but I never let hunger steal my attitude. I saved every naira with the dream inside. Started a small business with nothing but pride. The road was rough, temptation called my name, but I knew survival wasn't found in street fame. I know my brothers from Sokoto Road, from Odoaku, Fege, and Onitsha too. Many walk the dangerous path for respect, but I chose the road that would keep me alive. I always told myself, let them call me a coward, let them call me a fool. I'd rather live to see tomorrow than become a street legend who dies too soon. That became the engine that carried my soul. The words that kept me focused on my goal. I'm still standing, stronger than before. Every closed door, open one more. From empty pockets to dreams coming true. Every blessing reminds me what I've been through. If you see me now, don't judge by what you see. You never walked those roads with me. The rest of my story is still being written above, with hard work, determination, in God's endless love. This is for every child who grew up with nothing, for every dream that refused to die. My name is written in the scars I've survived. I came from Onitsha, and by God's grace, I'm still standing.